So after I found out that I could not get this part, once I dropped it, I had to fake this one using a concrete nail and a sander. So it doesn't look alike, but it's gonna do the same job, I suppose, because what's just doing is just holding the part in place. What I mean is it's holding this part. It comes through. As you can see, these are the pins, so it comes through and it falls down the groove. So this part doesn't go anywhere, it stays in put. Even with the clutch engaging and disengaging, it holds it in place. So I effect it, and I'm going to see how it's going to perform.